My name is Muhammad Haziq Iqbal bin Muhammad Farhan. My student ID is 252DM2539M. Today, I want to tell you about assignment 3. My introduction is, this is project is an interactive touch designer installation that maps left hand gesture onto a dynamic 3 canvas using media pipe tracking. The tracking coordinates create a height map that controls thousands of instance 3D cubes via a custom GLSL setup. As the user moves their hand, the cubes physically push forward, illuminate, and shift colors with a realistic metallic finish and cinematic bloom effect. The network editor layout is touch designer's core visual programming interface, where data logic is constructed by wiring modular blocks called operation into a flowing pipeline from left to right. In this specific project, a top texture operator colored burgundy webcam feed inputs directly into a central media pipe component, which splits the real-time video into individual data streams for specialized nodes like face tracking, object tracking, and face filter. This pixel-based video streams interact by side with chops that process numeral motion values and timeline animation data, while organized gray backdrops like face tracking visually group related nodes together to maintain a clean scannable workspace architecture. Next, this part of the project shows the real-time face tracking system inside Touch Designer using a webcam and a face mesh plugin. The system maps hundreds of individual tracking points or landmarks directly into the user's face. It doesn't just track head movement, it captures precise details like the opening of the mouth, blinking eyes, and facial expression. Next is hand tracking. Using the media pipe plug-in via a webcam, the system isolates 21 skeletal landmarks on the user's hand, tracking the exact position of the wrist, knuckles, and fingertips. As the user moves their hands in front of the camera, this tracking point update instantly. This live data is what we convert into our grayscale height map. By feeding these spatial coordinates into our custom GLSL setup, the physical movement of the hand is what ultimately forces the 3D canvas to push forward, light up, and ripple in real time. Virtual webcam change. This slide shows the virtual webcam chain which handles our live video input and optimization inside Touch Designer. It starts with the video in one operator, which captures the raw live feed from the webcam. From there, the signal split into two crucial parts for data processing. The top path use flip match and resync cage to mirror the camera feed, so it feels natural to the user while keeping the video frames perfectly seen. The bottom path use scale to 7 to 120 pixel to optimize the video resolution, which is then sent out via siphon port 1. This port output allows Touch Designer to seamlessly share the live video feed with our external media pipe tracking and at ultra low latency. The Open Post. This slide introduces the Open Post tracking component within our project, which expand our interaction from just hand and face, the full upper body tracking. The open pose operator captures the skeletal structure of the user's upper body, tracking the orientation of the shoulders, spine, and arms. Face tracking example. The top section features the face filter. Example note. Example note. This operator utilizes the left facial tracking data to anchor the digital element to user's head, in this case, generating a stylish face filter complete with a glowing neon ring that floats perfectly above the user as they move. The bottom section feature the face mapping example node, which works alongside the select one operator. This setup isolates the face geometry so we can map custom graphics, texture, or generative colors directly onto the contours of the face mesh. That's all from me. Thank you.